Okay, hey everyone, this is Jerry with the Captain's Chair, back with another Star Trek Discovery Season 1 break. So, here with the trusty Captain's Bear. Let's see, let's just grab a box here. Today it's going to be box 2713. Not sure if you guys could see that. The scariest part about the video is just trying not to cut my fingers off. Okay. Again, box 2713. Like I mentioned before, I am still working on the Star Trek Discovery set, but I'm not even halfway through the autographs. And there are 2 autographs per box, so it's going to take me a while. But I'm working on it. Okay, so here we go. Let's see if we get everything in frame here. Okay, Star Trek Discovery Season 1. And I keep checking the Rittenhouse website, hoping, let me move the camera down a little bit, hoping that they'll put a release date on those Star Trek Discovery Season 2 cards yet. It still only says December 2020. But I can't wait to see the checklist. There are some really good characters that were in Season 2. Oops. Okay, and we got Hit coming up. Alright, Harry Judge. Mirror Gorge. Yeah, he was in the episode where they were meeting with the Mirror Universe Resistance. And the thing, I'm not sure if he was the one that was organizing the Resistance, but I don't have this one yet, so that's a cool addition. Base cards. More base. And I am saving all these wrappers. I am doing the Rittenhouse Rewards program. So I'm getting ready to send another batch of wrappers in once I finish the next couple boxes that I have here. Okay. Still looking for that second hit. Oh, I think, oh, not the autograph, but it is a hit. Let me put that down there. Yeah, these cards are from the Star Trek Discovery intro scene. I don't know if I have that one yet, card number 10. But it's a very cool intro. And that's an insert hit. Okay, more base. Tardigrade. Okay. Oh, here we go. Another hit coming up. And Conrad Coates. Admiral Terrell. Let me take a quick peek at my collection up top here. I think I have Conrad, but I don't know if it's the border card or not. Let me see. Oh, I do need this one. Let me grab my collection right above me. I do have Conrad Coates, but it is the bordered version. Today I hit the full bleed card. So glad I needed both the autographs in the box today. I've actually doubled up on some of these autographs, tearing boxes open, and I do plan to share those. I'll put them on my eBay store, see if my duplicates could help someone else. Okay, more base. More base. Oops. Not that good a pack opener. There we go. And that looks like a hit coming up. Yes. That is one of the profile character cards. Captain Lorca. I think I had them in my last box, but these are nice. They're actually expensive inserts. I've seen those run between $5 and $10 on eBay. Okay, more base. The other type of insert that's in here that we haven't hit yet is a behind the scenes card that has some really cool shots of the photography. That's a good shot of Michael Burnham. Nice shots of the photography, the directors, the actors, makeup artists. Base. Oh, I like the Mirror Universe costumes they had in season 1. Yeah, there we go. That's one of those inserts I was just talking about. There's a nice shot of Ash Tyler and Michael Burnham. Oh yeah, behind the scenes. There's Gabriel Lorca and Michelle Yeoh. You can see there's some direction going on behind the scenes, and these have the nice little silver embossing there. These are really cool cards. Oh, got another one. Behind the scene card. Hey, and that is Harry Judge. The autograph I got, you actually see Harry getting his makeup done. So that's a cool behind the scenes card. That's a nice pairing. Okay, down to the last 4 packs. These cards. Okay, down to the last 2, and then I'll recap the hits. Michael Burnham, Mirror Universe costume. Empress Giorgio. Alright, here we go, our last pack. That's a cool shot. Alrighty, base to end the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and recap our hits. Conrad Coates, and again, that was called the full bleed, where there's just a wide open section for the autograph. Luckily, I didn't have this one yet. I showed you guys the bordered version I had. Harry Judge, part of the Mirror Universe Resistance. And again, it was kind of cool that we got the behind the scenes of Harry Judge to match. Another behind the scenes card. Star Trek intro. The storyboard. And the profile card, Gabriel Lorca. Alright, hey, thanks for tuning in. I got a couple more boxes I'll be breaking, so stay tuned and check those out.